Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy Nature Moultrie. If you're here looking for an opportunity to make money online and you never made money online before in 2022, or you just never have, or maybe you probably was struggling and you was probably, hopping on the different programs that's not gonna work out for you, then if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm not going to keep too much of your time. I just want to go over some quick tips with you about this amazing opportunity, and it's definitely going to help you in the future. Okay, this definitely going to help you out in the future because this is definitely going to change your life for the better. And this is the reason why I make videos, because I like to teach you guys on learning how to build an online business and teaching you getting making from zero to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, well, click that first link down below so that way you'll be redirected to an amazing opportunity that you can earn $10 all the way up to $780. Okay, so I'm gonna go over some tricks and tips with you, and make sure you stick around because this program is gonna be definitely for you. All right. So without that being said, guys, let's head over. All right. So this amazing opportunity is called the virtual cash flow system. Now, you can get paid 100% instant commissions and massive spillovers. Okay. This is a done for you system. Instant direct payments unlock the time and freedom. Okay. And the CEO founder of this amazing opportunity, her name is Danny Cash, as a Cash Empire. She is the owner of Virtual Cash Flow System, and she put this as amazing system together for people like me and you to make money online. Okay, so of what you see or what you get. Okay, so your problem on lack of income, our solution, the virtual cash flow system designed to generate $385,320 profit in your pocket ASAP. Okay, so basically, she create this whole system for me and you, so we can start, so I can start generating cash, and you can start generating some cash. Okay, these are testimonials from Alonzo Brown and Trey Snodgrass, and both of them made their first sale when they got in the system. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little breakdown of what this system does and how you're going to start able to unlock levels just by referring 4 people to your matrix. Okay, so I'm going to break it down in 4 easy steps. Okay, so level 1, if you come in at the $10 and your downline is 4, if you bring 4 people, you get 1,000 banner ads, 1,000 banners, and then you get 1,000 text ads, and you cashed out $40. Now, what you can do, you can take that $20 out that 40. You can easily upgrade $20. Now, level 2, if you refer 16 people, you will earn $320 off of 16 people that you have bring. Okay, so that means you are definitely upgrade to the $30 level. Okay, so that means for the advertising, you'll get 2,000 banners, you'll get 2,000 text ads, and then you'll easily cash out $320. Okay, and then on top of that, on level 3, if you bring in 64 people and you upgrade to $30 level, you'll be bumped up. You'll be making $1,920. Okay, off of just 64 people. Okay, so guys, this is an amazing opportunity. I'm telling you, you get 3,000 banner ads, 3,000 banners, and then you get 3,000 text ads, which is you can get people to sign up immediately if they want to make money online. Okay, And then for last but not least, level 4, if you take $40 out of $920, you will be automatically bump up to the $40 level, which is level 4. Now your downline, if you bring in 256 people, right, out the $40 investment, you would be making up to 10,240 dollars that you'll be paid out directly to your PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle, Screw, or Wise, or any bank transfer, Bitcoin, any type of payment that you would like to get paid from. Okay, even Stripe as well. Okay, now stage 2, which is level 1. If you have $80, right? Say you come at level 1, you refer 4 people, you will make $320. So that means you'll get 8,000 banners, you'll get 8,000 text ads, and you will make over $320 out of 4 people at the $80 level that you just signed up on. Okay. Now level 2. If you bring in 16 people and you pay $180 and you bring in 16 people, for advertising you'll have 18,000 banners, you'll have 18,000 text ads, and you will be cashed out $2,880 direct payments to your bank account. Now if you take 280 out of $280, right? If you bump it up to 280 to upgrade to a level 3, and you bring in 64 people, you'll be cashed out to $17,920. Okay, and then on top of that, you'll get 28,000 banners. You'll get 28,000 text ads. Okay, and then for this one, for level 4, if you bring in 256 people, you'll get, if you upgrade $380, upgrade to level 4, you'll be paying $380. But if you bring in 250 people, okay, you'll be automatically cashed out $97,280. And what you'll get for that level, you'll get 38,000 banners, 38,000 text ads. Okay, now this is the last step right here, guys. This is the last step. So there's only 3 stages, but I just did 2 stages already, so we're at the last stage 3. Now if you come in at level 1 and you refer 4 people and you just pay $480, you'll be automated cashed out $1,920. And that means you get 48,000 banners, 48,000 text ads. You'd be cashed out $1,920. Now, say you take that $580 out of $1,920. Say you want to upgrade to level 2. Now, if you refer 16 people, you will be able to get 58,000 banners, 58,000 text ads, and you will be cashed out $9,280. Now let's say you take out $680 out of $9,280, and you want to upgrade to level 3. Now let's say you refer 64 people, and what you will get is 68,000 banners, 68,000 text ads. Okay, and you will be cashed out $43,520. And last but not least, what you guys been waiting for your time in the moment, level 4. Say you cashed out. Okay, say you upgrade out of 43,520. Say you take out 780 out of 43,520. Okay, you'd be automatically bumped up to the level 4, right? And if you refer 260 feet, if you refer, excuse me, if you refer 256 people, you would be getting 78,000 banners, 78,000 text ads, and you will be cashed out $199,680. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is a program that will allow you to make money online. Okay, just off of one investment. $10 investment will not hurt you. All you have to do is just set up your system and get it up and running, and that's all. And start receiving commissions. That's all. So if you want to learn how to make money with this amazing opportunity, the link will be in the description down below, so that way you'll be redirected to this good information that's going to teach you everything step by step and learning how to get commissions daily. Okay, you can earn 100% commissions, guys. This is what you get. Okay, so guys, this is an automated system that will allow you to make $10 commissions all the way up to 10,000, all the way to up to $199,000. Okay, $199,000. But this is a good program. This program definitely works. So without that being said, guys, I want to thank you guys for allowing me to, do a tutorial video for you and show you what the system is about, and so you can be automatically join this program. So you can be automatically join this program and make sure that you can join this automatic opportunity. Okay, so this opportunity definitely works for people, and it's definitely it definitely changed people's life. What you just saw right now, those are testimonies. There's a testimonials that people are talking, and just they just people are making testimonials, making video testimonials, saying that hey, that they just made their first commissions, and then they just automatically just got upgraded. Nephew, stop. Yeah, people just make testimonials because they made their first sale. So basically, when they made their first sale, they were just so happy that hey, you know what, this is definitely helping me with my situation. So without that being said, guys, I want you to make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you turn the notification bells on, so that way you can be notified. All right, thank you guys.